Hey everyone. So a lot of you would be already be aware of how to create a dynamic product ad. However, for people whose dynamic product ads is not one of the experienced areas for them, I would like to show you how to create a dynamic product ad. So let me switch to the guided creation. Normally people see that as a default creation. The first step is to choose catalog sales as an objective and mention the name of the campaign, how you would like it to be. So I'm mentioning dynamic product ads and Feedofy, right? And I'll choose the catalog which I have created in the second video which I had shared. Now you can make use of the advanced Facebook methodology, which is making use of CBO campaigns. So you can activate it, and then you also have an option of not doing it. So let us create a CBO based campaign with a daily budget of initially starting with $50 only. And I can set a bid strategy as, let's assume I'm setting a bid strategy as CC, right? Cost cap. So the first step is to select the products. So right now I'm selecting all products, and I want to target how many days past visitors I want to target. So let us do 7 days. So this is 13 plus USA 7 days. Now everyone has a different way of naming their campaign. So you can always name it as per whatever way you want it. Depending upon which age group you cater to, which gender you cater to, you would create and target the respective age group and the gender. I'm just going generic in order to share with you the creation, like the process creation. And I would select automatic placements. That's the best placement. It's always better to have a purchase as an event until unless you also do something customized and you have custom conversions. You mentioned the cost you're willing to pay for a conversion. Let's assume $28, and then what attribution method you want to use, like what conversion window you have. 7 days click is default depending upon your product and the life cycle of the consumer. You can do a 1 day click and view, 1 day click only. So let's keep it only 7 days click as by default. The next step is to do a carousel. You can do both single image and carousel. However, carousel is preferred. And when you have multiple products, you would see your products here, which would be shown dynamically depending upon last seen product by the end customer. You can mention the text that you would like to show as part of these ad copies. You also have a provision to show your product name dynamically, and prices and different other metrics like what is available in your feed, name, brand, description, a lot of things, and your URL and call to action. So this is how to basically create a dynamic product ad. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. We'll be happy to help you throughout this process. Thank you.